Okay guys, we're back. Another stop over here, overlooking the ravine on our left side. My Habibi is checking the tires because we weren't able to do the retort. And he's a bit hungry now, guys.
How many kilometers more?
Oh, 33 minutes, Habibi. So there you go, guys. We're on the back to the road, guys. 32 minutes to Williams Lake. Guys, yeah, he's just doing 90. Speed 90, guys. Body of water. See, it's just a swamp, guys. can move now.
Wait. Mayroon pa isa na sa likod ko.
May mga nagkakayak there. Gabing-gabi na nagkakayak pa.
How was it?
Yeah, still good. I don't know what place is this. Motel lang
60 lang
nakalagay.
dito.
Yeah, 60. I don't know what place is this, guys. The view is nice, guys. 80 again. Yes, only 27 minutes there, Habibti. 100 maximum ka na naman. 290. Kaka-check mo lang ng gulong, no? Wow, guys.
Siyempre hindi ko makikita yung love, di ba? Kaya siya.
Yeah, see the beauty of British Columbia, guys. Okay, we can stop the 10-minute video, guys. Okay, and then later on we can upload all the videos that we have on our way to British Columbia. I would like to shout out my ever supporting husband. He's a little bit problematic because of what happened in our journey. Praise the Lord, and we're still safe. So let's look at the positive side there. Yeah, we're still lucky.
Still safe.
There, we're still lucky. We found the screw on our tire. So what if we did not change the tires into a new one? What will happen to us? What do you think? See,
The only thing that I'm worried is the wheels getting out.
yeah, so it's still a blessing. Now with the tires, just don't go beyond the maximum speed. I mean the minimum speed. Stick to it under 10, or yeah, just don't go on plus 10. Just under 10 na lang. Guys, we don't know where are we. So on the GPS it says Well Road and Kitsul Road, but the town we're not sure, guys. Only 27 ahead. 27 minutes, 25 minutes ahead. So minus 2 minutes already. Nagwigil tayo doon, ang bigat niya dir. The truck is heavy, guys. Okay, guys, I'm not sure. Let's see if what place is this before I cut off this video. can stay, Habibi, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Brother Donald is buying